Hi, my friends. Today we will continue our lesson on creating your first HMI mimic diagram, and today we will test our logic in the simulator. And firstly, let's open our system view and quickly review what we have created. Open our project, FCS, and as we remember, we created our program in TR-002. Let's open it. And here, my friends, we added our tags to the process input and output, and also created our matrix. Let's check the logic of our matrix. And now let's also open our HMI mimic diagram. And this window and GR1. Let's minimize this one. Also minimize this one. And here, my friends, I would like to explain that the binding of an object to HMI mimic diagram is done through tag numbers. For example, when we pressed this button and the system generates generate the event that triggers an action in our matrix, and the matrix activates the step of our logic. And now let's check our logic in simulation mode. Close this and right click on the FCS and FCS test function. Yes, my friends, our simulator has started. Let's stop it. And start again. And let's minimize this one, and we have two ways to launch our mimic diagram. One, through the name menu. You can write here your name of your diagram. It's 0001. Enter. And the second one is from the toolbox. and here graphics. Yes. And now let's test, and we press PB1 button, and here we write the one and press enter. Nothing happened, my friend. And my friends, if you guessed what the problem is, well done. You were paying close attention in the previous lesson. Now let's set it 0 again to 0. And now, friends, we need to enable auto mode in our matrix. To do this, we go to, let's close it. We go to overview, plans, and open DR second. And now, my friends, let's change our matrix from manual mode to auto mode. And as I explained in the previous lesson, to do this, we click on the diamond, select the mode, and then type out here, press enter, and here type the reason is test. Now you can see that our matrix now in auto mode, and let's return to our HMI, this one, and test again. Press button, and now you can see that our valve is working now. And now let's activate our switch A and check the logic. Now you see that our tank has been filled with the water and our logic has worked. And you may ask why our valve B turned on immediately. That's because our button remained active. If you check the status, you see that it's 1, not 0. Yes, my friends, that's our logic is working. Thank you for watching the lesson. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it, and subscribe to the channel. I wish you all the best and see you in the next lesson.